President Emmerson Mnangagwa has called on Zimbabwean youths to lead the fourth Chimurenga through innovation, productivity, discipline, and patriotism as the country accelerates towards Vision 2030. Tsarapita mashoko kudanyuka panguva ino achinzi President Mnangagwa urges youth to lead the fourth Chimurenga. Nauyo inokonzi panguva ino tichiona kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF, especially the faction iri yachisapota nawo the Cape 3, iri kunyasa kuona kuti vari parumana nzombe, vari panguva yakaoma. Panguva ino vachinasa kuona kuti people they are not liking and people they do not want this thing about Cape 3. They want to go to the referendum, but iwo achiri vakaruma muromo. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Mnangagwa conference addressing the ZANU-PF party with the League National Assembly in Harare. The president urged young people to move beyond rhetoric and actively drive national development and economic transformation. The fourth Chimurenga represents Zimbabwe's economic liberation struggle focused on empowerment, self-reliance, and national prosperity under the Second Republic. Several youth empowerment initiatives, such as the Presidential Youth Fund, vocational training programs, and the National Youth Empowerment Strategy 2026 to 2030, have been introduced to equip young people with entrepreneurial, technological, and practical skills. President Emmerson Mnangagwa emphasized that the future of Zimbabwe lies in a productive, innovative, and patriotic youth capable of championing the country's socio-economic transformation and the achievement of Vision 2030. Doma developments anobuda panguva ino tiona kuti they're trying to convince these youths kuti vasapote nawo the Cape 3 nema-constitutional amendments yavari kuuya vachilebhula vachiti this is the economic transformation iri kuuya ichinzi ndo the fourth Chimurenga yavari kuti want to fight the economy kuti isvike into upper middle class by 2030. Doma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. Imputse mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pe these developments. Pena comment section yetu za funguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.